Okay. I haven't made an update in a long time, so this is gonna have to be like kind of shorter than I'd like. Okay, my sleep has been really fucked up. I haven't been able to get to bed until like 4 a.m. or 6 a.m. or something. Not because I am not tired, I'm so tired, but I just don't feel like I can go to the next day. Like there's something that's just holding me, and I think I've thought about this a lot, and I think it has to do with the pressure that I put on myself. I think I put up a lot of pressure on myself to get better and to do things right and to move forward, and it's a difficult thing to do every day, and I'm worried that I'm not going to do well. So then at night, it's like I don't have any pressure because the only thing that I'm supposed to be doing at night is sleep. So it's okay if I just do whatever I want during the night because I'm not disappointing anyone. There's no expectations that I'm not living up to, except for not sleeping. And I feel bad about that, but it's like I need a break at some point. So I think I'm just taking it during the night when I should be sleeping. And mostly what I'm doing during that time is binging and purging. Like that's when I do it because I've only been binging and purging like once a day. And I don't know if that's because of the Celexa that I'm on now or if that's just the way things work out. Generally my mood has been pretty good. I haven't felt like totally out of control or despairing or anything. I mean, I have some depressed days, but generally it's tolerable. So yeah, haven't been sleeping, which is really hard on everything. I mean, like I feel like that's such an important thing because every single thing that has to do with recovery and health in general requires energy and focus, and those things are the first to go when you don't sleep. So I need to be getting more sleep. Anyway, so whatever. I love Kid Cudi and Kanye West. Those are my big names right now. Yay. Okay. Anyway, so whatever. What else? So I need to be getting more sleep. I don't want to binge a purge during the day because I just don't want to. But then at night, I stay up and binge a purge and go to bed really late. Let me check this one.
The end is never the end. A new challenge awaits.
Okay. No, I don't want this one. Where's the other one? Memories. Whatever. Okay, anyway, I don't know how many. Oh, that's not very long. Okay, what was I saying? Oh, I need more sleep, and